Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Spire of Ringing Truth in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. The Spire of Ringing Truth is up in the mountains in the west of Peilun. Now make your way inside the spire. Climb up the stairs until you reach the main area. To complete this, we need to climb up until we reach the bell at the very top. You can use any method you want. If you want to use the path included in this spire, feel free to do so. But I prepared a couple of pine mushroom teas, so what I'll do is climb up using aerial stab. Once you're at the very top, aim at this bell and shoot it either with a focus shot or an explosive arrow. This should break all the platforms and open a path towards the basement. Dropping down to the basement will start the boss fight against Priscus the Ancient. Just to warn you, this is a difficult boss if you're not prepared. I recommend bringing a decent bow build to make this fight a lot easier for you. Once you defeat him, you'll be rewarded with the Blessing of the Immortal and the Ancient's Necklace. The Blessing of the Immortal is a key item which gives you 10 seconds of invincibility when consumed. This is a one-time use, so make sure you use it at the right moment. The Ancient's Necklace, on the other hand, is arguably the best attack necklace in the game. I think the White Lion Necklace is better since it provides crit, but if you need a higher attack stat, then you should get this one. And that's how to complete the Spire of Ringing Truth in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.